replacing a wired thermostat with a Netatmo smart thermostat. In this video, we are going to explain how to replace your wired thermostat with a Netatmo one. Before installation, check that your installation is compatible on the check.netatmo.com website. To install the smart thermostat, you need a private Wi-Fi network, a smartphone or tablet. For the wired installation, you will need from the thermostat box the thermostat and its batteries, the wall bracket, the relay and its mains adapter, the mounting plate, 4 color adhesives, screws and anchors, the installation guide number 1. To install the thermostat, you will need both a Phillips head and a slotted screwdriver. In this installation, the Netatmo thermostat is directly linked to the boiler using the existing wall wires. Using a radio frequency, the smart thermostat connects to the Netatmo relay. The Netatmo relay ensures the Wi-Fi connection to the internet and the ability to remotely control the thermostat from the Netatmo Energy app. Step 1. Plug in the Netatmo relay. Take the Netatmo relay and the mains adapter that matches your country's electrical outlets. Connect the two together. Look for a wall socket close to where your existing thermostat is. Make sure the area around the wall socket is clear and that there is a Wi-Fi reception. Plug the relay into the wall socket. The light on the relay will blink to indicate it is working. Step 2. Remove your old thermostat. Before beginning the installation, don't forget to switch off the power supply. Remove the cover of your old thermostat. Take a picture of the wiring. This will be a useful reference to have if you have questions in the future. If there are only 2 wires, they are both control wires and are useful in this setup. If there are more than 2 wires, you must identify the 2 control wires. For more information on how to identify the wires, check the manual guide in the product box. Disconnect all the wires from your old thermostat with a screwdriver. Remove it from the wall. If there are any scratches or holes left behind when you remove the thermostat, you may use the mounting plate provided. Take the wall bracket and the screws provided. Pass the control wires through the wall bracket. Screw the wall bracket to the wall. Remove the protection cover with a screwdriver. Screw the control wires into the electrical terminals. As there is no polarity on the control wires, you can put any of the 2 wires in either port. If your former thermostat used extra wires, the other additional wires have to be insulated. Place and screw the protection cover back onto the electrical terminals. Step 3. Install the thermostat. Take the Netatmo thermostat and the batteries provided. Insert the batteries into the thermostat. You can customize your smart thermostat with one of the included color adhesives. Choose a color and remove the cover of the adhesive before sticking it to the back of the thermostat. Set the thermostat on the wall bracket. Switch the power supply back on. The thermostat displays the start screen and searches for the relay. The thermostat connects to the relay within 30 seconds. Once the thermostat is connected to the relay, the room temperature and the set point temperature appear on the screen. You can now check that your thermostat is properly controlling your boiler. Push the top of the thermostat until it displays max. The thermostat will switch the boiler on. Push the bottom of the thermostat until it displays off. The thermostat will switch the boiler off. If your boiler does not respond, check that the control wires are well connected. Congrats! Your Netatmo smart thermostat is now wired to your boiler. Step 4. Download the Netatmo Energy app to control your thermostat from your smartphone. First, download the Netatmo Energy app directly from your smartphone or tablet's app store. Create an account providing your email address and a password, or simply log in if you already have a Netatmo account. Select the Smart Thermostat option to connect your app with your thermostat and follow the instructions. Answer a few questions in order to create a heating schedule according to your lifestyle. Great! Your Netatmo smart thermostat is now ready to use. Complete your installation with Netatmo additional smart radiator valves to take control of your radiators and choose your home temperature room by room.